Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in my Jeep Cherokee XJ, and we're going to film some videos, but first, this bad boy's pretty dirty, so let's go spray it off real quick. Let me show you how bad it is. So you guys can just see the car's dirty. It has tons of pollen on it, bird poop, and it just needs a wash, man. That roof's dirty. Let's go spray her off and see how good this old girl cleans up. You always got to do before and after. So before, covered in pollen, dirt, and bird poop. Let's wash her up. After's looking a whole lot better. Got some shine back to her. This old girl cleans up pretty decently.
You know, I'm gonna say that this is a really good 15-20. Good from about 15 to 20 yards away. It looks really good. Up close, yeah, you can see all the rust, but we're here for a reason. The goal today is to film a few short videos on the good old Mercury Topaz. I really like this thing, 5-speed manual transmission, but we'll get there in a minute. We gotta move that bad boy, the $250 Ford Expedition. Yes, it still runs, it's been over a year. We put about $1,400 into it, but still, for under $2,000, a 2010 Expedition Limited V8 engine. The four-wheel drive doesn't work, and the heated seats don't work, and the AC doesn't work, and there's a manifold leak. But other than that, it's a solid vehicle, but let's move that. All right, I'll tell you what, even though this thing was only $250, it is beat up, it is rusty, it is great to drive. It drives so smooth, it is a larger vehicle. I really like the presence. You have a nice riding position. Yes, it has a V8. It is the 3-valve Triton, but it is an older version of it, so most of the problems have been fixed. But obviously, this is an old, just kind of like a beater SUV. A lot of things don't work on it, but I really do like it, but let's go film some other videos. Now, I really do love this little 5-speed manual car. It is a lot of fun, and it was cheap, $2,500, but let's get out of the garage, and let's make a few videos on it. Gotta do the good old neutral wiggle first. Old school safety seat belts. It's been a couple days since it's ran. Good old wiggle. All the way over is for reverse. Any 90s Ford product has a hard time going reverse for some reason, especially the Mustangs. But let's give her a go. Don't want to hit the good old Jeep. I'm gonna park these right next to each other. Oh yeah. Perfect. So there she is. For $2,500, I got myself a 1994 Mercury Topaz. Now basically this is a 4-cylinder car. It's a GS sedan. Yes, they did make a coupe version of this. This is in really good shape for a Michigan car. What I really like is the two-tone paint. It really stands out. But I do like the 5-speed manual transmission, but let me show you the engine first. And under the hood, we have this very clean 4-cylinder engine. Obviously, this is a front-wheel drive configuration, but you can just see everything is relatively clean under here for being a 1994 vehicle. Now, it's only making like 94, 96 horsepower. Not very much, but it's something I can still have fun with, drive stick shift, get some good mileage, which is really important right now because I just need to save a little bit of money to make more content for you guys. The interior is something I really like. I like the old school safety belts. These seats are actually in really good shape, and they're very soft and comfortable. Armrest is in a perfect position for driving an awesome 5-speed manual. Now, I keep saying awesome. It's not awesome. It's just an economy transmission, but you know, it's still fun to drive these econo boxes with a manual transmission just to maximize your fun and fuel economy in these old cars. Overall dash is really nice. It's just a nice solid car for pretty cheap. If you guys haven't seen the video, my dad's Riviera, he put these new white wall tires as well as these hubcaps on. The hubcaps are a wire spoke design, and it looks really sharp. The chrome on this vehicle really pops with those wheels. Overall, it's a sweet little vehicle. These are super comfortable. This is a Buick Riviera. I kind of like the little half top it's got in the back too. I'm not the biggest fan of vinyl tops, but all together, it works out really sharp. But let's end this video today because, well, I've kind of just been making shorts all day and just filming this longer video in between. Having both my cars side by side is an awesome sight. A 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ and this good old 94 Mercury Topaz 5-speed manual. I like seeing them side by side. It's really cool. I can only do this because of you guys. I thank you so much for watching my videos, sharing, liking, subscribing. It means so much to me. I know this is kind of a different style of video, if you will, but hopefully you liked it. All right, like I said, this is a very different video than what I normally make. It's more of a vlog-like style, but hopefully you liked it. Let me know in the comments below. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.